What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing our unboxing for Boxycharm, but we are actually going to be trying on the makeup products, which is why my face is kind of done, but not all the way. So I thought it'd be, something different. I haven't done this in a while, and I wanted to just try something a little bit different with these Boxycharms. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's inside this box. I just have the base box. If you guys are wanting to know anything about Boxycharm, I do this video every month, and you guys know the drill. I put all of the information that you need down below. Otherwise, let's get to it. So this month's theme is so fresh and so clean. At the end, actually, you know what I'll do is while I'm trying on the makeup, in a little scroll bar down here, I'm actually just gonna put the product and then what it retails for. And then if it has a little description, I'll go ahead and put that too. So yeah, we'll try that a little bit differently too. So the first thing I'm gonna go with is the first product I see, because my lips are kind of like, they need some sort of moisture. This is the Persona E-Balm in the shade Manifest. Oh, there it is. It's a bright color. I feel like it looks really weird just because I have like no makeup on, but okay. I do feel like I probably should have put a lip liner on, but I wasn't sure how it was gonna work because I feel like it'll start to bleed. So the next product I have here that I won't test out is by Earth Harbor. This is Nebula, and it is a clarity. I'm not really sure what this is. I'm assuming it's like a serum. I feel like I've gotten a lot of serums and like moisturizers here recently, and I'm a little overwhelmed. It's a pretty bottle. Let's go into this because I want to finish off with the face before we move into the eyes, just so I know what I'm playing with. So this is by Shayna B from Miami. This is Rosa's Cream Blush, or actually I think the shade might be Miami. This is gonna be bright. I already know it, isn't it? Oh, actually it's not. It's like a baby pink. I'm just gonna use this brush. I think we actually got this in one of our Boxycharms. They're the Alamar brushes. Holy cow, I love Alamar brushes. I wanted to apply this blush because I'm like, I don't know what the eye look's gonna look like, and I feel like if I have my base done, I can kind of make sure it doesn't look too crazy. I actually didn't think this was gonna show up because it's kind of light. It's like a baby pink, but it does. I have this by True and Luscious. This is the Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer and Base, and it is infused with rose extract. It's a color correcting eye primer. So I do have just a little bit of concealer on my lids, just from what was left over when I chiseled out my eyebrows. Let's go ahead and just put a little dollop here. And I'm just gonna use my sponge. Oh, there's actually some color to it. Oh, okay, wow. So I kind of just got it everywhere too. See the last thing, which was what we're gonna be playing with today. This is by Wander Beauty. This is the Sweet Escape palette. I'm like really digging this like eye primer. It's like very bold. Oh, this kind of matches what I'm wearing today. Okay, I think we're gonna have fun. I am like instantly gravitated towards this shade. I'm gonna lightly set my eyeshadow because it is creasing and there is no matte shade. I'm gonna take just a little bit of this Angel Eyes primer. I mean the tiniest amount because you guys saw how bad that was. Look at how good, like look at the payoff on that. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes just so that I can really get the inner corners to pop. It's always the first place my eyeshadow fades. I'm gonna go ahead and take First Class, which is this shadow, and I'm gonna pop it right on top. I'm not sure what color I wanna do. I think I wanna do purple color because I already know it's not gonna match if I do purple. But my lips still feel moisturized, which is nice. It kind of left a tint. Do you see that? The purples, there's good colors if you want to either do purple or brown, but I'm not sure what I'm feeling today. But being that I've done a lot of neutral looks lately, maybe I need a little color in my life. Let's go in with the shade Window Seat, which is right here. I'm just using this Mario brush. This is an EF2, and this is gonna go all over my lid. I love purple. And I'm gonna try In the Clouds. Perfect purple. Oh, it really doesn't show up. Let's just stick with Window Seat. I think this is what I'm gonna do. I think you need to either pick one or the other. Do I want to do this or do I want to do frequent flyer? Maybe I'll do frequent flyer on the outer corner, which is these two shades. And then on the inner corner, I'll do this like more iridescent purple. Let's do that. That sounds like a great plan. Oh, I don't know if I like this crap. Oh, I don't know if I'm sold on this. I'm gonna fix this if I don't like it. Oh gosh. The amount of glitter that is coming off on this is too much. Let me put some powder underneath my eyes. I'm having a little bit of a scare right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of Day Trip. I'm gonna have to, which is right here. Use that to blend on the outer corner. We might be saving it. We might be saving it, you guys. Now let's go in with Sweet Dreams. I'm gonna use my finger this time. I'm gonna take just a little bit of setting spray. This is the Fix Plus, but in the alcohol-free version. Asking me what I think about it, it's fine. I mean, I use this one and I use the other one. I actually feel like the other one works a little better. I did finish up that eye, and then for lip, I had to take off that lip color because I just was like, this looks hideous together. So I just went in with my Uncuffed by Fenty. Uncuffed by Fenty? Yeah. And then for lip liner, I used the MAC lip liner in Cork. It's amazing. It's my favorite. So we're going to finish up with the lower lash line though. And I do want to take a little bit of this eyeshadow base. I'm really digging this eyeshadow base. And I thought that I would take a little bit and just run it on my lower lash line so I can just really make sure I get the vibrancy. Do people do this? I don't know. Should you do it? I don't know, but I'm going to. I'm going to go back in with Window Seat. Doesn't really show up. That's great. Just makes me look like a swollen eye under eyes. That's wonderful. I did pull out a black liner. I'm gonna put it only on the outer half of my waterline. And I'm just gonna kind of bring it down just a little bit so that I can smudge it out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna be using the Bad Gal Bang mascara. This one is waterproof. And then after that, I go in with something just a little bit fluffier to really zhuzh them up. And right now I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Finish the look. I did throw my hair up in a ponytail just because I wasn't feeling the half up, half down look. I do want to set my blush a little bit because I can feel it like still kind of sticky. So I'm going to go in with just this Buxom blush. This is the Wonderlust. I thought this would be like the closest shade. I kind of want to add a little bit of a glossy texture to my lips. So I am going to go back in with the Persona Lip E-Balm, whatever you call it, just for a little bit of a gloss sake. And I think we're done, you guys. Oh, I got to set it. All right, yeah, so this is the look that I created with the products in the box. I'm going to give you guys some of my key products, standout products from this box. The eyeshadow primer. And I can definitely tell you that had I not tried on this unboxing, I probably would have just tossed the eyeshadow primer, but I am sold. The eyeshadow primer, it's got that texture. It reminds me so much of one of the base cream bases from MAC. I would definitely say with the Wander Beauty palette, if you are going to use it, I definitely would recommend some sort of a concealer base or something because you do need a little bit of you need something to maximize the payoff on this palette. Otherwise, you're not really going to get the true vibrancy. If you are going to do your makeup or your eye makeup after you do your makeup, definitely put something underneath because there was quite a bit of fallout, especially with darker colors. Thank you guys all so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as a try on haul. If you guys like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.